You see, say na this kind greed now wey catch Igwe, Credo and Ojazzy. Na this kind greed dey catch some of us, so many of us today. You and person go agree to do business. We will agree on the price. After business don begin dey pay, person go begin dey expect more. The person go begin dey expect make you do more than the agreed price. Of say this guy see say Kcee that Ojapeno don blow, they are now coming back to demand for more, as if Kcee dey hold them. You know, say as everywhere take quiet now, just one evidence from Kcee, one video wey Kcee do. All bloggers, everybody wey be dey support Ojazzy and Igwe credo, all of them now, their mouth don shut off. You see it? I think this is a very big lesson to all of us. He never too tey where everybody dey patch Kcee, they insult Kcee, say he was greedy, he was this, he was that. But just one reply wey he give now with evidence, everybody now mouth don shut up. Nobody get mouth to talk again. You see, when Igwe credo was granting interview upon interview, telling everybody that Kcee did not give them chiche, who knows that this kind of sleep was on ground? Who knows that this kind of transfer happened? He never mentioned it throughout all the interview. This one go show us say e no good make we dey judge without hearing from both parties. You see before everybody was supporting Igwe credo with sentiment and emotion, because he never presented any evidence to us. He was just coming online, granting interviews, telling everybody how Kcee did not pay them. Who knows that Kcee actually spent 1.something million naira on them? Apart from the clothes, apart from even the posting. He said that Kcee never posted them. Who knows that Kcee posted these guys and even tagged their account? This one is going to show us that no matter how person cry come online, no matter how the person first come out, begin they complain, begin they cry, no be who first go court or police station they win case. And the emotion will never win over evidence. The evidence they win for court. You see, I want to apologize to Kcee on behalf of everybody we don't drag her. Yes, because with the way things are going right now Kcee they lead for this particular case now, because now you get the evidence. Except if Igwe credo will come out and debunk Kcee video with another evidence also. Then that is when we now start to contemplate who is right. But for now, Kcee they right, because now you get the evidence. Because Igwe credo told us that Kcee never give them chichi, whereas Kcee spent 1,290,000 naira. He said that Kcee never posted them, whereas Kcee have posted them on different platforms, even tagging their account. He said that Kcee never even added them to the video shot of the Ojapiano music, whereas he rejected the offer by himself. So you see and say, no matter how person take life finish, one day truth must come out. I even salute Kcee for the way he applied wisdom in this case. When everybody was crying, was insulting him, bashing him, even to the extent that some people were flooding to Kcee's page. When Kcee will make a post, you go down there and see how people's comments. The way people were insulting Kcee, the way people were yabbing him, insulting, calling him all sorts of names, even when we are yet to know the truth. This is how fast people can be in concluding things, even when you have never heard from the other mouth. How it is now, how it be for us now. And this was why I made my video last time. I said that Igwe, Credo and Ojazzy should move on. But they did not listen. They continue granting interviews. Now you guys are now going to explain in the court all the allegations you guys leveled on Kcee. You guys will now go and explain yourself in the court, because you guys really played on people's emotion. You allowed greed and advisors to put you guys in this condition now. Because if no be greedy, I don't understand how you go tell Kcee, how you go tell person, make person pay you 100,000, and the person after seeing your good work decided to give you 300,000. Apart from the feeding money, apart from other things we give you, apart from the platform, and you still come out online to drag him. Even when you guys signed an agreement, copyrighted the sound, copyrighted the whole thing, you guys still went ahead in going different shows, still using the same sound, and you are still coming online to drag the same man. You guys will pay now. at this point, anything wey Kcee decide to do to these young boys, I think he's right. Nobody should even blame Kcee, because this guy dragged his name to the mud. You need to see the way people were insulting Kcee. You need to see how many people were bashing Kcee. You need to go to Kcee's comment section and see how people were always using the derogatory word on him. Even the new song that he dropped, come and see how people were trying to demarket that song simply because of where they were emotionally agreeing with what Igwe, Credo and Ojazzy said to them. So this guy really caused a lot of things to Kcee. And I think at this point, anything where Kcee decide to do to these boys, he is very, very right. Because na greed, they kill a lot of us for this country. You and person agree something. Now where you see say the music don't blow, you are now coming back to request for more. Getting that you are just an instrumentalist. They don't pay you your work. You just need to move on. But you are still looking for more money simply because you notice say the music go viral and people they tell them say no, make the music blow. Without Kcee, who even know Igwe, Credo and Ojazzy? Let's be honest, without Kcee, who know them? That you are seeing Techno and Co now using them is because of through Kcee. Even some of you where they talk say why 200,000, 300,000, whether Kcee they sell pepper. My friend, let me tell you, business is business. Even if you like do business with Dangote, if Dangote comes to your shop to buy product from you and you are selling it at 1,000, if Dangote give you 1,000, he did not do bad because it is his money. That he is rich does not mean that he should turn to Father Christmas. If he decide to give you more than 1,000 in that product, it is also his own choice. So I think at this point, Kcee have done what he was supposed to do to these young boys. If he decide to do more, it is his choice. If he decide to help people, it is his own choice. You guys are expecting him to do like Ojazzy, to do like Davido. That is Kcee. If he decide to do that, is his own choice. So at this point, the energy where we take drag Kcee when Igwe Credo was crying out, this is the same energy I want make you bloggers now use the same energy now. Begin the drag Igwe, Credo and Ojazzy, because as evidence don't come out now, we know say true. Now Ojazzy and Igwe Credo they drag Kcee unnecessarily. And I think Kcee should just forgive Ojazzy because that young boy did not know anything with what is going on right now. It is looking like Igwe Credo is the one playing this game on Ojazzy. And Ojazzy, if Ojazzy come out from this one, I think he need to do away with Igwe Credo. Because that guy is really causing damage to his talent.